Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to talk to you about the permaculture fruit tree guild, and just let's get straight into it. Basically, the fruit tree guild or permaculture fruit tree guild is nothing else but growing your food under the fruit trees. And this is a great example we have here in our food forest. That's why I want to show it to you and explain. So this is our young lime tree. I grew it from cutting, by the way. And you can see it's doing really well. The limes are really nice, beautiful and juicy. Feeling very well, growing very good. And it looks like they really love the company as well. Of the greens growing under the crown of the tree. So there are many advantages you have of growing food under your fruit trees. First of all, when you water your greens, you are watering your fruit tree as well. The second big advantage is also the beautiful shade you get from the tree during the hot summer days. The tree will protect your greens and they will not burn, and your tree also is getting a nice natural growing green mulch, which is protecting the soil from evaporating. That's another big advantage. And as you can see, we are growing pretty much everything and anything underneath. So let's get quick through it. I've got a young sage here, gotu kola. This is a young pomegranate, garlic chive. Basically garlic chive and green onions at the back are growing around the tree. It helps also to stop the grass coming through into the area. So we've got here celery. This is a horseradish. I put it up in an old pot because the horseradish got roots and we don't want to plant anything under the trees which got deep roots. Basically because just as we don't want to disturb the roots of the trees. So that is why it's growing here in the pot and enjoying the shade from the tree as well. So I've got some Malabar spinach there, or silent spinach, which is going into seeds already, as we are having now our subtropical winter here in Queensland. We are in Australia, by the way, if you don't know our channel yet. This is some onion, chives. By the way, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. If you wanna see more videos like this. So let's go further here. So this is beautiful parsley, feeling really well. I've got some of the beautiful wild strawberries growing here. They love the space under the trees. Basically, all berries love the space under the trees. I love the wild strawberries because they are really very easy to grow. And they are fruiting basically the entire year. But especially their time is during winter. So we are having lots of new growth and beautiful flowers and some young wild strawberries. The wild strawberries are also good to freeze, so you can also collect them and make a beautiful cake out of them later on. So what else do we have? We have some longevity spinach as well here. Very good eating raw and to stir fries. It's feeling very well here. So and the green onions going around, and that's basically it what we have got here growing. I think that's enough. And if you want to set up the growing area under your fruit trees, it's really very simple and easy. I will put up an image, a drawing about how you can do it in a very easy and quick way, but just quickly to explain. You put some cardboard around your tree on top of your growing area, what you've got, like a grass here or whatever you have growing there. If you have a high grasses or lots of other greens growing which you don't want, it would be good if you just cut them short or go with your lawnmower under your tree. Then you put the cardboards there. You put some good compost on top of the cardboard, not much, like about maybe 5 to 10 centimeters, and some topsoil and some mulch, or just any of these. You can just put some mulch and or just some soil, but mulch is always a good idea to protect the soil. So, and yeah, that's basically it. One maybe more pretty important part: when you start your fruit tree guild, make always sure you leave some space under the tree trunk, because I always say the tree needs to breathe. So about like a really small area around the tree stays always free. And that's basically it. I think I didn't forget anything. Yeah, when you're ready, you just plant your young seedlings or put some seeds in, and you can start watching your beautiful greens growing and your food growing. If you have many of fruit trees, you can basically have your entire greens growing, your edibles growing under your fruit trees, except the root vegetables. So they are not very good friends, as the roots will disturb the tree. But that's basically all. I hope you liked the video. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below. Other than this, please like, subscribe if you still didn't. And yeah, I wish you all the best with all your garden projects. And see you next time. Thanks, bye. And I enjoy my wild strawberry now. Have a good day, guys.